This project began with taking a wildly unflattering reference picture because the Google image results for woman bending over didn't exactly yield the results I was looking for. From there I did a crappy concept sketch and tried to refine it into something a bit more stained glass looking. Both of the tutorials I watched used a mixture of white glue and black acrylic paint to create the faux leading. I used an old fabric paint bottle as a dispenser. I don't know if there was something wrong with the stuff I used, maybe it's because they're both more than a few years old, but the consistency of my mixture ended up being kind of tricky to work with. Also, stir, don't shake the bottle, it creates a lot of bubbles and that was a problem. I thoroughly cleaned my glass before starting the painting process. What can I say? I'm easily amused. I'm gonna be honest, doing the lead lines felt like an exercise in futility. No matter what I did, I couldn't get nice clean lines and they all ended up being wiggly and lumpy.
Really? Why? Why bubbles? Why? Oh wow, that looks terrible. That's not making it any better. You know, make peace with it.
I didn't make peace with it, but that's a separate issue. All of the colored glass portions were done with clear glue mixed with acrylic paint. It does take a little adjusting to get the opacity right. I started out using brushes, but they weren't particularly effective, and I ended up using a bamboo skewer for pretty much everything after that. Which I consider a good thing because getting glue out of bristles is kind of a huge pain in the butt. mixed glitter into a few of the colors just to see what would happen. It looked pretty cool while the glue was still wet, but wasn't nearly as pretty once it dried. I threw in a little glow-in-the-dark paint because glow-in-the-dark needs no reason. 'Cause it's cool. I would know I have very refined tastes. This whole project was born out of the fact that I was kind of randomly given a picture frame, but I'm not really one to frame pictures, so I was trying to think of something to do with it, and for a while I was getting video recommendations for DIY faux stained glass, and I thought, hey, why not? I glued on a couple pieces of wire so I could hang it. Well, I don't know about you, but I give this project a resounding meh. But hey, at least it glows in the dark.